Now, we are going to use this new hybrid grip, this 3-point fulcrum, okay? And we're going to create this little teeter-totter bridge. See how I can do that with one finger, but there's no stability really in it. It can go kind of where it wants. But if I bring this third finger in, I get a really good, even rocking motion. Let's look at that closely. That's the normal fulcrum, you know, and it works. But there's no stability really. You have to bring your other fingers in. But if we bring this 3 in, we get this really nice control point where we can really focus it. And you can practice this first exercise away from your drum set. Just holding the stick in your hand and just practicing this wiggle back and forth. Feel where it feels right for you. Understand how when you just move the middle finger with it and you hold the fulcrum here, you get manipulation. When you hold the fulcrum, pressure between these 2 fingers and your thumb, you get movement. So just that little wiggle, work it back and forth. But our first exercise is going to be 1 minute with the right hand and 1 minute with the left hand. And we're going to use just those 3 fingers, nice and slow. See, that's the trick with French fingers. A lot of people just attack it right off the bat because it's easier to go than it is to go. It's easier to bounce it fast, like bouncing a ball, than to really bounce it slow and get the control. So first we want to work with these 3 fingers right here. Let me just move that out of the way. So we've got our pointer finger, our middle finger, and our thumb. We're in our proper position still. This hand I'm just going to relax down for now. And here, for 1 minute, we're just going to go like this. You want to get control of it. You'll notice the stick will move side to side sometimes. It's going to happen. You want to get control of it. You could, you know, hold your other stick up to it and try and help it, but it's going to cause a little resistance. So just get control of it. Focus. Watch the stick. You know, I always say look straight ahead, but you can look down to make sure you're in the right position and you're doing your technique right. You know, we're not going to, this isn't, you know, the military. So again, we're just going to... And that's about 4 inches over the pad. Just nice and light. You want to get used to that stick wiggle. That's exercise 1. And of course, we have to do it with our left hand as well for 1 minute. Let's move on to exercise 2.